You have definitely seen these Stickman videos all over YouTube Shorts, and some creators are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month posting this exact style of content. And the craziest part, almost nobody is doing this niche properly yet, which means the competition is insanely low right now. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create these viral Stickman videos completely with AI, faster than ever before. And yes, even this video was made using the same method. Look at this. I created this fully animated motivational Stickman video in under 5 minutes using AI tools. Now let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. First, open ChatGPT. Now paste in this prompt. Generate 10 viral motivational Stickman animation ideas optimized for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate multiple high-retention topics. Choose the one with the strongest emotional hook. Now copy the advanced prompt from the description below. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then replace the topic section with your chosen idea. You can also change the video duration. For example, 30 seconds. In seconds, ChatGPT generates the full voiceover, image prompts, animation prompts, scene directions. Everything is done automatically. Now let's create the voiceover. Open any AI text-to-speech tool. I'm using MiniMax AI. Choose a realistic voice. Then copy each scene narration from ChatGPT and generate the audio. Within minutes, your entire voiceover is finished. Now go to Google Flow. Select Image Generation. Paste in image prompt 1 and generate your first Stickman scene. Choose the best image. Now this part is important. Click Add to Prompt. Then paste image prompt 2 underneath it. This keeps the Stickman character, art style, background consistency, perfect across every scene. Repeat this process for all scenes. Now let's animate everything. Open your generated image. Click Animate. Paste the animation prompt from ChatGPT. Generate the video. Do this for every single scene until all your clips are complete. Then download everything. Now open CapCut or any editor you prefer. Import all video clips, voiceovers, sound effects. Arrange everything in order. Sync the visuals with the narration. Then add captions, zoom effects, transitions, background music. This massively increases retention. And just like that, you now have a fully animated viral Stickman video made almost entirely with AI. This niche is still extremely undersaturated right now, which means there's a huge opportunity for early creators. The full prompts are in the description. Subscribe if you want more viral AI niches, AI workflows, and faceless content strategies. And I'll see you in the next video.